Okay, I don't have enough time. I don't have as much time as I want, so I got to do this. Oh no, it's lagging, isn't it? Nah, it's fine. I'm so busy. This song's called Hemingway Cat, and I swear to God, I thought this was the most brilliant song I'd ever written when I wrote it. It was just, and here we are. No one's ever heard it until tonight. I'm so beside myself next to you, tucked up inside myself thanks to you, and I don't think there's a name for it. Don't think I can pay for it. Heaven must look just like Central Park West. One big museum of pinstripes and vests, and I might just look good in a suit, and you might be there with me to boot. Oh, but every day's Vaseline, TVs and magazines. You're almost an aristocrat. You're a Hemingway cat. You met him in Paris in summertime. He smoked like an artist, he drank all the time. But oh, the sex, it was exquisite. No Yankee compared to it. Hell must look just like New York in July. One big museum of asphalt and flies. Wake every day with a Valium. Take maybe 2 or 4 more of them. I've had an hour full, and I'm not that powerful. Say goodnight, let's leave it at that. You're a Hemingway cat.